Hi Mark. In this case, we're working with the formula pressure is equal to force divided by area. We want to find the area. If we rearrange this equation, area would be force divided by pressure. In this case, the force being supported by 4 tires, or the weight being supported by 4 tires, is 2020. So that means that each tire must be carrying 505 pounds. Typically the front tires carry more than the back, but we will assume that 504 pounds is the weight on each tire. The gauge pressure of the tires is 30 psi, which is 30 pounds per square inch. And if we take 505 and divide it by 30, the pounds cancel out, and you get 16.8 square inches is the area of the tire that has to be contacting the road. Hydraulic jack question. Okay, I'll take a look and see if I can find one. Okay, here's one. In this case, once again, it's pressure equals force divided by area is what we're looking with. That comes out in pascals as long as the force is in newtons and the area is in square meters. In this case, we have a piston, which means it has a circular end. Its radius is 2 centimeters. And if we want to work out in square meters the area of that circle, we're going to have to convert the 2 centimeters into meters. So we'll go 2 centimeters into meters divided by 100. In other words, we get 0.02 meters. And if we find the area of that circular piston that's pushing on the fluid, we get pi times the radius squared. So that's 0.02 meters squared. And that gives 0.00125667 and so on, or 6637 square meters. And we can now find the pressure by taking the force unit of 16,000 newtons and dividing it by the area of 0.0100125667, and that's in square meters. Newtons per square meters is short form to pascals. So we take 16,000 divided by the previous answer, and we get a huge pressure of 12,732,395 pascals. Typically, when we get into the millions or we get into the thousands, we start using one of the prefixes, and even though that's the answer, it wants the answer in pascals, I would call that 12.7 MPa, 12.7 million pascals.